Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, the Xcode, and today we will be solving another data structure algorithm problem from leetcode. It's pretty much simple intersection of two array, and these problems I'm solving are very much interested because this problem are very much related to the front end development. So today the problem is like very much simple, and we would be moving into that one. Let me give an explanation of that code, and let me share my screen. Give me a second, and yep, I might be available, and see the screen is also available. Sorry for my bad throat. So yeah, coming to the problem statement, like it's pretty much simple problem statement. It says like there would be two array, and those array would be having like integers, and when you go for intersection, you would be getting like some common number, and that common number should be your output in terms of say over here like 1 2 2 and 1, and here 2 2. So both of the are having like 2 as a common number, so common integer, so that would be your output. And in terms of second example, we are having 4 9 5 and 9 4 9 8 4, and so we can see over here like 9 and 4 are like common integers, so our output should be 4 and 9. So that would be like the pretty much simple thing. And let us start with our problem. So yeah, I already solved that, and sorry for that. So I'll be removing that thing. Okay, so let's try to do the recap and the solve. Okay, so let us do the first thing. So let define as num set 1 is equal to new set, and that is num1. So why do I use set is to reduce the duplicate number. So if you are having like duplicate values into an array, we would be getting like singular number. We would be reducing like those duplicacy by using set. So now coming to another problem, like set let num set 2 is equal to new set, and that is num2. Yeah, num2, and that is it, guys. And coming to our const, say result array is equal to new set. So I'm using set like multiple times because it's like way much easier. So now coming to the first array, it's like new set of 1. We are destructuring this one, and then we are providing a filter. So filter, it's like a simplest mechanism which would be taking like individual elements, and we can go for filtration. And now we would be having like, say, okay, filtration, and where we would be having like value of x, and we would be checking that if x is present into our new set 2. So here say new set 2 dot has, because we are having like an object values, so it would be having like x, and that's it, guys. This is pretty simple. So I'll be sharing like more portion of this code, so it would be much more convenient. Yeah. Now we would be having like result return. We would be doing a return statement, and that would be the destructured version of result array. That's it, guys, and that's our answer. So when we go for like, say, npm run test of our folder, so I've written like we would be getting like all of the output of that one. And this is pretty simple, guys, because like when you find like this kind of integer problem, it's pretty common, like when you go with say rendering of like multiple values into a React component. So you would be having like a common component where you would be spending all of your data which is coming into an array form, and you have to do like filters onto that one, and it would be much more easier for you guys to use this kind of method. So by using like set and filters, it would be much more easier to reduce down like the duplicate number, and after going for intersection you would be getting like the perfect values. So if you guys like my spirit, my work, please like and share my video, and I will be waiting for your comments onto the YouTube. So thank you guys, and pretty much excited to meet you again tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye.